Captain, a fantastic end to the tournament, 7 good matches. So just sum it up for us, mainly how it ended. A team that wins doesn't get the trophy, doesn't get which it deserves to get. So what was the feeling as a captain for you? This is one of your biggest tournaments after you became the captain. Not getting the trophy after winning 7 matches. What is your feeling, if you could sum it up?
I think this is one thing which I have never seen since I started playing cricket, since I started following cricket, that a champion team is denied to get a trophy. I mean, that to a hard-earned one. It's not like आसानी से हो गया सब, but it was an hard-earned tournament. We were here since 4th, played a game today, 2 back-to-back good games in 2 days. I feel we deserved it, and I can't say anything more. I think I've summed it up really well. And if you tell me about the trophies, my trophies are sitting in my dressing room. All the 14 guys with me, all the support staff. Those are the real trophies who I have been big fan of throughout this journey of Asia Cup since we came here and we played this tournament. We started our preparations. I think those are the real trophies, real moments, which I am taking back as lovely memories, which will stay with me forever going forward. And that's all.
पाकिस्तान को लगातार 3 मैच हराने के बाद ट्रॉफी नहीं मिली, फिर आगे क्वेश्चन है, इस जीत को लेके आप क्या कहेंगे? ट्रॉफी नहीं मिली, फिर भी ये जीत कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है?
जीत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आपने देखा होगा मैच खत्म होने के बाद वो बड़ी स्क्रीन पे लिख के आया था, इंडिया एशिया कप 2025 चैंपियंस. अब इससे अच्छा अब क्या ही देखना है. सब जगह जितने भी बोर्ड्स लगे हुए थे सब पे चैंपियन लिखा हुआ है, 2025 एशिया कप, और आप खेलते हो उसी चीज़ के लिए हो. एंड आई एम श्योर एवरीवन अग्रीज कि देखो इसने तो हाँ भी बोल दिया है. तो आई थिंक इट वाज अ ग्रेट मोमेंट, ग्रेट जर्नी, great campaign for us as a team, and I'm sure support staff will also agree, and we had a lot of fun.
Surya, hi, Abhishek, congratulations. Question to you,
Hey,
congratulatory.
से भी पूछ लो कोई.
Congratulatory messages are already pouring in for the team. The Prime Minister has also tweeted, and I'm going to read his tweet. He says, Operation Sindoor on the games field. Outcome is the same. India wins. Congrats to our cricketers. How do you respond to this? And just, if Abhishek can also sum it up, the, playing in this tournament and playing so well, back-to-back 50s for you, just your experience and your answer to this.
I think अभी तक I have not followed social media properly. After the game, we were busy on the ground only. We were waiting for more than an hour and a half to have our celebrations. But then that's completely fine. I'm sure whole country will be happy and enjoying and having smile on their faces. And that's what we play for. Give them smile and inspiration to many. And I'm sure he also must have something to say on that, as the question has been split. You want to say something?
Sure. I think obviously we had a plan to win this tournament, and last में आके we didn't get the trophy, but still we won the tournament. That was our plan. Trophy उठाने का तो obviously सबका होता है, but we actually got a trophy जो सूर्य भाई लेके आए थे. We felt it, and कोई बात नहीं, जीत गए, that's enough.
मेरे हाथ में दिख गई थी ना?
हाँ बाजी, weight भी हमें पता था कितना है, तो हाँ जी, तो हम सब टीममेट्स ने वी फेल्ट इट बिकॉज विनिंग द टूर्नामेंट इज़ मोर देन दैट. तो ऑब्वियसली जो हमारे चेहरे पे स्माइल्स है और जो ड्रेसिंग रूम में जो माहौल है, दैट ओनली कम्स आफ्टर विनिंग द टूर्नामेंट. तो दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स. सो दैट्स इट.
Surya, it's been a difficult campaign with so many off-field developments holding sway. As a captain, how much did it take out of you, and what did you have to do to sort of keep yourself in the moment as far as cricket is concerned?
I feel it was not that difficult. Boys took it in their stride. They were really happy with the way the campaign was going. Since day one, I've been telling them only one thing: let's just focus on cricket on the ground. And when we go to the practice sessions, let's enjoy what we are doing, do the same things what we want to do in the game. I think boys took it in a positive way, and whenever we came for every game, we were very, very focused.
So, Surya, unbeaten run throughout the tournament. What is the message to the Indian fans, especially on this dominant show, and a journey that will continue? What is it, your opinion about?
I feel unbeaten games, unbeaten tournament. Of course, it's a great feeling. I'm sure everyone back home will be very, very happy with the way we played this tournament, and everyone put their positive step forward. And I would also like to thank BCCI in this. I think it's very important to have a strong base. When we play like this, you forget everything. People who work behind the scenes. So people working at BCCI, having center of excellence at Bangalore, I think all these places adds up slowly to each and every player. They go there, have a good preparation. Before coming here, every player came there for 2 to 3 weeks, as they knew they haven't played a lot of cricket together. So they came there, they practiced really hard, and you must have seen but the way they delivered on the ground and at the end of the tournament. So really happy with that.
अभिषेक इधर अभिषेक जब नमस्कार अभिषेक जब बचपन से कोई क्रिकेटर खेलना चालू करता है तो देश के लिए खेलने का एक सपना देखता है और बाद में इंडिया पाकिस्तान का लोगों से सुनते आ रहे हो आप और सचमुच खेलना वो प्रेशर में इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करना ये सपना है हकीकत है आपके लिए क्या है ये टूर्नामेंट क्योंकि मैन ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट भी हो गए हो
हकीकत तो है बिल्कुल बट एक चीज़ है सर कि मुझे जब भी मैं टीम में आया हूँ मुझे कभी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं है कि ये बहुत प्रेशर मैच है या कोई ऐसा हम हर एक मैच को इक्वली हमने प्रिपेयर किया था ऐसे ही क्योंकि जैसे मैं खेलता आ रहा हूँ आई फेल्ट कि मुझे जैसे सूर्यबाजी और जीजी बाजी ने दोनों ने आई फील कॉन्फिडेंस दिया है क्योंकि जब आप ऐसा खेलना चाहते हो तो आपको होता है कि आप थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होते हो तो ऑब्वियसली अगर आप ऐसे हाई रिस्क पे खेलना चाहते हो तो फेलियर्स भी आते हैं बट जैसे इन्होंने उस टाइम पे मुझे हैंडल किया उस टाइम में मेरे से बातें की आई थिंक उसी वजह से आज हम ये स्पेशली मैं ऐसा खेल पा रहा हूँ क्योंकि बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि आपको ऐसे सपोर्ट होती है टीम के साथ और एक्चुअली में हम ऐसा इंटेंट ऐसी ब्रांड ऑफ क्रिकेट खेलना चाहते थे शुरू से ही अब चाहे आगे कोई भी ऑपोजिशन हो हमने यही प्लान किया था कि हम अपना बेस्ट देंगे और ऐसे ही खेलेंगे
हाय सूर्या अनस गोंदल न्यूज़ वन टीवी से अनस गोंदल न्यूज़ वन टीवी से सवाल ये है कि आज आप चैम्पियन बने और अच्छी गेम खेली आपने लेकिन सवाल ये है कि इस पूरे टूर्नामेंट में जो आपका बिहेवियर रहा पाकिस्तान टीम के साथ आपने हैंडशेक नहीं किया फिर आप ट्रॉफ़ी के लिए फ़ोटो सेशन आपने नहीं किया फिर आपने एक सियासी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की क्या समझते हैं कि आप इस पूरी क्रिकेट की तारीख में आप पहले कप्तान हैं जिन्होंने क्रिकेट के अंदर सियासत लेकर आए जी
बोलना है नहीं बोलना है गुस्सा हो रहे हो आप सवाल पता ही नहीं चला आपका आपने 4 क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए एक टाइम पे
Surya, hi. At what point in the build-up to this game did it emerge that Hardik will not be available? And secondly, if you can talk us through Shivam Dube's performance because he had a tough role to play, bowling those overs that Hardik bowls in the power play and then to play that innings with the bat. So just take us through these two.
See, of course, he was very dejected after he got to know that he's not going to take part in the finals. Any player would love to be part of playing 11 when they're playing a final. And he got to know that yesterday. He tried his best. Sports science team, they tried their best to have him on the ground, but sometimes it's way above all these things. So he tried his best, and also for Shivam Dube it was difficult, but he's been practicing bowling the new ball, old ball, bowling in the death overs as we are playing with the 8 batters and a lot of all-rounders in the side. So he took up that responsibility, and I've seen him with my domestic team Mumbai. He's delivered a lot with the ball also. And I was confident, coach was confident that he will definitely deliver. And we were definitely not surprised the way he performed with the ball and also with the bat. With the bat, everyone has seen his ability. It was a perfect pressure situation and he delivered it. So we've seen him in that situation and we are very happy that he absorbed it and delivered it at such a lovely occasion.